¿Qué dice mi gente? My name is Jacob Antunes with Mariachi Los Jinetes. So what mariachi is, to me, it's something where I can put myself in an instrument and bring it to the world. You know, it's all about culture, tradition. You know, it's a lot of fun. And people can get together and everybody knows what mariachi is in the Hispanic culture. How did I get into mariachi? Well, it was my second semester of my sophomore year, and my friend convinced me because we had one. I didn't know we had a mariachi at our high school, and he told me, and I was like, no way. And at this point in my life, I was like, I kind of want to do something different because I've been a mechanic for my whole life, and I was like, I gotta do something. So I think Hispanic music in general, you know, that involves mariachi, you know, regional, bachata, you got all these different styles. And it's really helping the younger generation because they're helping them evolve in what their culture was and what their culture is. So my plans for the UTA Mariachi Los Jinetes is to, you know, maybe have a class. Because right now it's just a student organization. So I want to have a class and to where you can sign up. And there could be people teaching you any style we want. Aquí, desde Mariachi Los Jinetes, échale ganas.